Ever wondered how Domino's, a small pizza shop in Michigan, transformed into a global pizza giant? Here's a tale that might surprise you. In the late 50s, two brothers, Tom and James Monahan, stepped into the world of pizza. They purchased a small pizza store called Dominick's in Ypsilanti, Michigan. This started their journey into the pizza business. But little did they know this small pizza shop was destined to become a global phenomenon. Fast forward to the early 60s, only 8 months into the business, James traded his half of the business to Tom for a used Volkswagen Beetle. Tom, now the sole owner, was determined to expand. By 1965, the business had expanded to 3 stores, and Tom decided to rename it. After a suggestion from an employee, the name Domino's was born. In the mid 60s, the iconic Domino's logo, with 3 dots representing the first 3 stores, was designed. However, Tom's initial plan to add a dot for every new store quickly fell through as Domino's experienced explosive growth. By 1978, Domino's had established its 200th store. The 80s marked the start of Domino's international expansion, with the first international store opening in Winnipeg, Canada. By the 90s, Domino's had become a global brand, with stores in over 60 nations. The new millennium saw Domino's pioneering pizza delivery through digital platforms. They launched online pizza ordering in the year 2007, becoming one of the first pizza chains to do so. By 2011, they had launched a mobile app to make ordering even easier. Domino's also took innovation to a new level in the 2010s. In 2015, they introduced the Domino's DXP, a specially designed pizza delivery vehicle with a built-in warming oven. They even tested drone and robot deliveries, pushing the boundaries of pizza delivery. In a nutshell, Domino's journey from a single pizza store to a global pizza empire is a testament to innovation and persistence. From its humble beginnings in Michigan to its expansive global presence, it's been a whirlwind of a journey. And throughout this journey, one thing has remained constant: a passion for delivering hot, delicious pizza. The story of Domino's is a slice of history that's as fascinating as the pizzas it delivers. It's a story of a small pizza shop that dared to dream big, a story of innovation and growth, and above all, a story of pizza. And as they say, the rest is pizza history.